Hi guys, today I am giving you the overview of this facial recognition web app, which is pretty easy to develop this web app. You can see here I just use the four libraries like Streamlit, OpenCV, Python Headless, DeepFace. Uh, DeepFace is a library, and you can see it's a pre-trained model for facial recognition. I will give you some overview from its website, and last library is TF-Keras. So first of all, I show you the DeepFace libraries. You can see here it's available in PyPy website, and it's also available in the Hugging Face. Hugging Face is a website where we have different pre-trained models. So I just want to give you some detail about DeepFace. You can learn here how to install it and how we can use it. You can see here it can recognize the face and other things. So this is all the details and documentation of the DeepFace library, right? And other libraries for user interface I used Streamlit. You can see here. So Streamlit is very good for develop the LLMs and dashboards and charts and other stuff. So I will attach the links below in the video. So let's move on the code and other requirements. I also used this background in web app and this logo in the web app. So when I will run the web app, you can also see the how it looks. So this is the code. You can see here I import these libraries, and then we need to create a database where will our images will save, right? So you can see here I created a folder like register images. All the images will save here, and when we will register the images, the image will save here. So then I create some if and else statement for the registered the images. Then I will also put this code in my GitHub repo, so you will get this code from there. So there are two functions for dealing with base 64, and this is about the how it will save the images. Here I use some CSS for our background and how it will customize in our web app. So this is our CSS code. Then this code is for logo that I show you here. This is logo code, and then so obviously we need to put the sizes and other thing according to the web app. So I set it here, and then here is the custom CSS for the select boxes for the web app, because we need to create some colors that match with the web app and background of the color. Then I set the title and some description of the web app, and from here the main function is started, where the in backend the application will work, like how the people will register, and then how they will authenticate their faces when they have registered. If someone has not registered in our database, then it will say to the user, please register yourself. So this is the most important code snippet of the our web app. You can see here how I manage the exception handling and if and else statement. So I created this short video for just give you the overview of the web app. Obviously, when if I started from scratch for develop the code, it will take too much time. So that's why I'm just giving you the some overview. And this is a very pretty simple web app for facial recognition. There is also need some uh, modification in this web app like object detection and other stuff. If you like, then please mention in comment below, so I will also modify this app. So finally we run this web app. So first of all we need to run this app in terminal. So we will just give a simple command streamlit run main.py and then enter. It will run, and you can see here they give me some URL and other stuff for the web app. So first of all, but if you have no virtual environment, you will need to create the virtual environment and install these all libraries by pip statement. I have installed, that's why I did not repeat it, because my purpose is to show you in a short time. So let's move in the web app. You can see here this is I put this logo here, and this is the background, and we have option to disable the camera and enable the camera. Now there are two sections in the web app, register and authentication. So you can see here we have just no face in our database, and in some I also tell you about what is this JSON file. This JSON file for comparing the register images with the authentication faces, uh, because the register images will save here. I will show you here, but when we will authenticate, that image will not save this. That will be for some like it will not save it is. So the authentication images will save in this JSON file. So first I registered myself, so I camera. So So you can see here I created a select box for disable the camera, and I also disabled the camera here, but now I enable the camera and you can see my face. I will just take my picture. For you can see here a message will image saved our in registered images and in our database. You can see, and you can see here my face is registered here, and it's given. Now I go for the authentication myself with this which is my second section of web app. So the web app is running here, and now we can authenticate ourselves. So I tell you this is the simple web app, and now I take my image for authenticate myself. So you can see here it is saying verification is successful. But one thing I want to show you here is the one image for the registration purpose, because I take an other image for the authentication, but that image is not saved. That image saved in this registered faces, right? So it matches the face and then tell us the either our image is in our database or not. If someone goes direct to the authentication purpose and its face is not saved in our database, it will show please register yourself first. I develop the logic here. If someone is not registered, so what will be the web app? You can see here not authorized, verification unsuccessful, right? So this is the overview of web app. If you think there is need some modifications and other, please let me know below. I will also modify the code and then create another video for you. If you have also any question or problem while running the code, so please let me know in the comment box. I will answer you. Obviously, I will answer you. Okay. So thank you so much watching this, and please subscribe my channel. I will get back with same projects here. So you will able to add these projects in your resume and get hired as you want. So thank you so much.